Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Flights. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type flights.google.com. Here, this type of interface will come. From here, you can search your trips and book your flight. In the left side, you can see a travel option. From here, you can search for flights, hotel, and more. From here, you can create a trip. In the explore option, you can explore different parts of the world by map, or you can search from here also. In the map, you can see the places and its price of flights. In the things to do option, you can search for a place and find things and see to do. In the flight option, you can search for a flight, such as I am searching for Rome. Then you have to choose your date and click on search. Then Google will show you the flights and time duration, average emission and flight cost. From the down arrow option, you can select the flight, and here you can choose the returning flight and click on select. You can see all details about your trip. In the hotel option, you can search for a hotel in the place do you want to go, and also the vacation rental. You can select how many person will live there, and you can select the time duration, and Google will show you how it will be cost and what is the facility of a hotel. In the vacation rental, you can see the house can be rent for your vacation. In the main menu option, you can see travel, explore, things to do, flight, hotel, vacation rental, tracked flight price, travel setting, feedback and help from here. So that's how to use Google Flights. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.